Hello, today we will learn how we can use this Teams app to teach students in school or in any other institute. Okay, so I'll start from the basic how to log in. Let's say this is my mobile. I have opened the application called Teams. Now I've entered my user ID which I have created, and this can be created by a only IT administrator. As I am the IT administrator, I have created my ID as well as others too. Now after creating this ID, you will get it from your um, either from your company or institute, wherever you are working, your Apple ID and a password. Like I have my password, I'll add that. Now this is how it will open. It will open in few minutes here. It's over here. Now this is how it opens. This is I will click on Teams, and if there are pre-made teams over there, groups, then you will see those groups. Else you have to create a team. If you already have a team inside that, then what all you can do? First go to calendar. If you want to take a meeting, you want to schedule a meeting. From mobile, sometimes you will not see any
Option for video call.
in class 9th mathematics. If I open this, I will see a chat room, new post, everything will be there. Like this mic is there for recordings. This is for sharing anything. I can share a location, YouTube video, anything else. Then there is at the rate if I want to link something, if I want to attach something, this is for attachment. This we will look into the video later also. Right now, if I want to start a video lecture, then what I have to do? First, I will go to schedule in calendar, then I'll go over here and click this. I'll add a name of a meeting, let's say tutorial and I'll share a channel. I will not add participants. I'll share a channel which I want. Let's say I want to share it in, let's say in classes. I have shared. Now this will be at 12:30 and repeat is never. So once I plan this, it will be visible over there. Now done. Once it's done, error event created successfully. I'll go to the Teams, I'll check it out. I have made it over here and it will show over there. It will show this is a meeting scheduled by you tutorial. Whenever I want to join this, I'll click over here and I'll go to details and I can join it and it will start a video lecture. Now let's go to another thing. Let's see what all we can do over here. I'm sharing my screen now. It will be very clear to you after that. As you know, you can easily make log into it, and then you can create your team, and you can work on your pre-made teams. This is pre-made one. Now if you want to create a team, this is already we are in a chat room, so see over here I can see the participants. This is for chat. If I want to chat with someone, I can easily chat over here, and these are some important things points over here. In desktop it will appear like this, like show device settings, show meetings, enter full screen. Then this is stop recording. I have started the recording, so it's getting recorded. If I want to stop, I can stop it out. End meeting. Whosoever has created a meeting, he will be an organizer and he only can end the meeting. This is for hang up. He can go out of meeting, but meeting will keep on going on, keep on working at the background, and others can keep themselves inside the meeting. until unless organizer ends that meeting, those people can continue that meeting by themselves. Now, if somebody wants to create a team, like I went to this place, these are preloaded teams which I have. I want to create a new one. I'll go to this point. I say join or create new team. Now this is also very good option, join a team. This will be used by students and this will be used by you. Create a team, I'll put over here, create a team. Let's say for class, I'll name the class 8th mathematics, class 8 maths. This is a class for class 8 maths. Description, mathematics class. You can write anything you want to write in description, it's up to you. I'll put next, and now it will show to add teachers and students. Let's say add some teachers. I'm already in this because I have made this, so I will already be in this. I'll add somebody else. Let's say I have this dummy as by this name, a teacher. I'll add this out, and now I want to add students too. Once you get a tick over here, it's added. Now I want to add teachers, students. So I'll type there either their names or the number by which I have made their username, like 170150. This is Divyansh Chauhan, Anushka Nevi. There will be many like this. I have to search them out, or I can type the actual number which I have and I can select them. Or what I can do, I can write their name also, like now you can see there are two Anushkas. Which one I want to choose, I can add. This one is of class 10th and this one is of class 9th. Else I can use any other name. She is in class 9th. So like this I can add students. I can have multiple students. After that I will put add, and they all will get add into it. I'm not adding anyone into this. This is just for demo, so you will get to know when you add them. And I'll close it. Once I close it, this whole new team will appear. It will be like this. I can upload materials over here, find help and training, everything. If I want to upload material, I'll go to attachment and I'll attach whatever I want. Okay, these are upload from computer, anywhere else I want I can upload. These are the files, recent files, browse teams, anything I can upload. Or if I want to send a message, hello everyone, I can send them. I can chat, I can do all that thing which we do on WhatsApp, we can do over here. And if there is something I want to share from YouTube, I can put this icon on and I can share that also. This is for format. If I want to change the writing format, I can change. I can type the best way I can. I can write in like a letter also in English. I can write a full mail. I can write whatever I want. I can write question answers over here. Anything which is needed, I can do it over here. I can change the font size, color. I can make it a paragraph. I can underline that. Anything which is required, I can do. Insert. I can also insert links of any website also over here. After doing this, I will go back to my teams. Now right now I'm over here. Let's say we have started a class. I told you how to schedule a class. Now we have started a class. After we have started, the participants will get added to it. I can make them attendee if I want. It's better if you make all the students mark attendee. This is a term which I have to mark them. Mark attendee. Please mark all of them attendee so that they do not disturb you while you are teaching. They will only be able to answer your question after unmuting their mics, and otherwise they will not be able to stop your recording. You can keep on recording your lessons also for those who are not in the class, and you can send them later. This is a chat room. If you feel that you want to say something to your students, you can type over here also. Good morning, good evening, whatever you want. Or sometimes student also type a message to you over here while you are taking the class. Okay, sir, I am unable to understand this, or whatever he wants to say, he can say. Next, if you want to share your video too, so you have to turn on this camera like this. If I turn this on, you will see my photo over here. You will see that I'm over here in the screen. Right now I'm sharing a screen, that's why it's small, but it's visible. I can switch it off. This is for mute. I can mute this mic and I can unmute this also. Okay, this is for stop screen sharing. Right now I'm sharing it. I can also stop sharing it. Let's say I have stopped this and I'll share something else now. I want to share ePathshala over here. So how I will do that? Let's see. If I want to share an ePathshala on my PC, what I will do, I'll click on this button like this, and this window will appear. Over here it's not showing ePathshala, but it's showing whiteboard. If I use whiteboard, I can use it over here. Now first I open ePathshala. This is over there. ePathshala is over here. I'll go to Teams. It's in the background, and I'll again click on share. Now this will show in our Teams. I'll click it over here, and this ePathshala now will be on your mobile screen. You can scroll it as much as you want. It's easy to scroll. You can scroll it comfortably like this. This is the first, second chapter. I can scroll it out. I can read. I can discuss. I can show them a figures too. I can solve question answers also. I can dictate them any answer if I want. And in mathematics, I can solve questions too. Now, how I will solve the question? That is something very important. Let's say I have taken the first question over here, and it is this: find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. For mathematics, it's better if you have something digital board or something with you. Else it's better to use a copy and pen so that you can write such equations. Though I have a digital board over there, I can write it easily. Let's see it how. Now what I will do is I'll share my digital board instead of this. I'll share again. I'll click on share option and I'll share my digital screen. This is my digital board which I am using. It is visible to all of you now. I have already taken a class and I've taught them this. I'll clean this out first. And a new page will appear. Okay, now this is a page on which I can write and I can do anything. This is my digital page. I'm using an app named as Inkodo. This is available in Microsoft Apps World. Inkodo, Inkodo. The name of the app is Inkodo. Now if I want to type, I'll put this icon is over here, is for typing. See, there are many. I can add picture, smiley, movies, any maps, or this is for rich text. I'll put it over here and I'll type like this. I'll stretch it out because I'll be using the full screen. I'll increase the size of font, make it bold, and I will start typing. The question was 2x raised to power 2 plus 8x plus, let's say it was 4. A very easy one we have taken. So if I want to solve this, I want to find the roots. Again, second part will be, I can solve it 2x square. If I can do all the mathematical operator over here, that means I can do anything. Means I can type it easily whatever I want to. If I want to type a letter, I can type. If I want to type anything else, I can type whatever I want, I can type easily over here. Next, I'm using mathematics because it is the most difficult one to type as compared to another thing. In science also, you can type easily whatever you want. Even the equations, if you want to type, you can type. These type of things can also be done in this. But this digital board is not a part of Teams. This I have downloaded separately. Teams has its own whiteboard where you can draw easily instead of writing. If you have a stylus, it is the best to draw that. Like over here, this is also a stylus type kind of thing. I can draw whatever I want. I can. Um, it's better to type it out, but if I want to write, I can write anything, whichever I want. CH2, CH4, better is CH4. I can do the undo and I can write CH4. Equation in size if I want to write, and whatever I want to show, C plus 4H. Like this also I can draw. If you have a touchscreen mobile, you can easily draw or use touchscreen to write this out. Or any other thing also you can type, like I can type over here, what is it, about anything, science or something I want to write, I can write. Anything. Science of chemicals, etc. Whatever I want to write, I can write, or I can delete. Anything can be done. Now back to your Teams. If anything else you want to do, you can also do. You want to share your screen, you can share. Else you can share the web browser also. Like this is now I'll be sharing web browser. I've opened web browser first, then I went to the sharing option and it will show web browser also. This is my web browser, which is clearly visible over here. Now I can type anything I want. I want to show them NCERT book. I'll type it over here and I can show them any notice from NCERT or anything else if I want to show them something else. Chemical equations in science, or in English I want to show letter format. I can show them a format of letter preloaded over here. These are the format of letters in which they can write, how they can write a good letter, but it's better to keep those things ready with you, pre-ready, so that you don't waste time while taking a lecture. And I can shut this out. This is how you can easily manage your Teams, even if you want to share. And one more thing which is very important, once the meeting gets over, like this was my Teams, I went to Teams chat area, and once I stop this meeting is on, therefore it's showing join, and this is the meeting I have scheduled for tomorrow. So if I stop the meeting and the recording also, have end the meeting and stop the recording, that recording will automatically get saved over here. This is a recording. I can play it anytime I want to. Like this, I can switch it on and any student can play this out. So those who have not attended the class, they can watch that class over here again. The whole video will be played. They can learn anything they want from the start to the end. All the video lessons are already preloaded over here, which I have saved. So this is very easy way to use Teams as an app in education. One of the best till now because it is secure, nobody else can access it. It is totally in your control. You can control students also over here. You can chat with them, you can discuss, you can share your any topic, any things. You can share multiple things like any file. You can write a letter to them, a note to them. You can send them smiley. A star also is there. You can send them a star if you want. Or if you type a name, particular name, @ when they name this particular message will be gone to them. Or you can again send them a video meet you can do, and terms. There are many other things which you can do. There is one more thing over here, these three dots, is actually used to see the videos like streams. Whatever video will get uploaded will get saved over here in streams. You'll click over here and this type of window will appear. It will show my watch list. My name is Harsh, so it's showing my watch list. I'll click over here, video stream, it will take me to the web browser where I can see, delete or download those videos and share it further anywhere I want. So I guess this is all for today, and you got how to use the Steam app. For any other query you can ask me. I will be always there to help you out. Thank you. Take care.